Hey guys, it's your girl Kim, and we're here with Infotainment.com. We have the new Dodge Durango. This is the perfect mom on the go car. It has a Hemi, so you can actually put a little speed behind wherever you're going. So we have this cool mesh grille with the Dodge emblem. We also have the mesh accessories at the top of the hood. So we actually have some really cool LED tail lights, and the lights connect all the way from side to side. If we open it up, in the back seat, you can automatically tell we have a third row seat. One great thing about having this third row seat that you can actually pull these levers and push down. You have more back seat room. You can push this latch right here, open it up, and you have some extra space and storage. One cool thing about this vehicle is that you can actually push this button right here, and the top lets down for you. We talked about the cool features of the outside of the car, so let's hop in and see what's on the inside. Okay, so the first thing that I like the most about this car is that when you press start, your car automatically, your seat adjusts and your steering wheel adjusts to your liking. Also, if the steering wheel is too high, there's actually an automatic button that you can press down and it can lower the steering wheel for you. Since this is a UAM radio, that means you can actually plug your phone in and you'll actually get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on what type of phone you have. So we can go to the Apple CarPlay settings and it shows the maps if you need to go home or to work, as well as your messages, your other apps that works with Apple CarPlay. So Spotify, Audible, if you like to listen to stories and books. Alright, so we're about to go ahead and take this baby for a test drive. Alright, so we do have a backup camera. That's always nice. Off bat, I'm already noticing the engine because it's a Hemi, so it has like a little bit more force behind it. Alright, it's very smooth as well. It really doesn't feel like I'm driving a big truck. It feels like I'm driving a regular car, honestly. It's not heavy at all. They drive about the same. I noticed that this is a little bit lower than the Bronco just because the tires are lower and more like average. So I would say that. I would say it's a little bit smoother, and compared to the radio, it has more bass. So this car has a lot of bass for it to be a standard car. Okay guys, so we've seen the outside of the car, the inside of the car, and we test drove it. I say it's a perfect mom's car. It has a little speed so you can get your kids there anywhere on time. And if you like videos like these, come check us out at Infotainment.com.